This is a Range Rover 2018 V8 5.0 supercharged. I want to show you guys how the timing of this vehicle engine looks like for you that are technicians. So if you're looking for how it is, I'm going to show you the engine right here. Okay, this is the engine, and for you to be able to set this timing accurately, you need the timing locking tool. Okay, if you don't have this tool, it will be practically impossible for you to get it running 100% without error codes. Now the first thing to do is to lock the camshaft. You can see this is the lock. There are slots in the camshaft that allow the tool to actually slide in. Okay, and maybe much later we'll be able to take it off so that you'll be able to see that. Now when you get that aligned, you also see some marks, paint on the chain. Okay, that also aligned with a mark on the cam sprocket. See that? Now this is on bank 1. And also looking at the chain towards the crankshaft end, you can see the mark there. That also aligns with a notch. Okay, you can see that closely. You can see the sign. That is bank 1. On bank 2, we have the same alignment here too. You can see that. And also on the chain and sprocket, you can see it's aligned. All right. Now it doesn't end there. There's also a lock that locks the flywheel. The first thing you have to do is to take off the crankshaft position sensor, and there is a lock that actually fits to a special slot in the flywheel that locks it in the right position. Now if you look at it for the piston, it will now be at complete TDC. Okay, that has to be locked. And to hold the flywheel tightly in place, you also have another tool that locks the flywheel in place. So if you've got all this in place, then it means your timing is going to be okay. Now one last thing you shouldn't forget is the high pressure pump has a camshaft that drives them. There's a tool also, that locks it in place. You can see this. It goes to that slot there to ensure that it is properly timed. Now this is the reason why I'm saying if you don't have this tool, it will be almost impossible for you to have this engine running 100% without any error codes. So if you are a technician and have more questions about this, you can also ask. Now let's look at the camshaft positions. This is bank 2. And this is bank 1. Okay, I'm sure this video is enough to explain a few things to you about the Range Rover 5.0 V8 supercharged engine.